Volume. If a volume of any object or any figure is to be calculated, the formula for volume is equal to area of cross section into height. Now, area of cross section can be of any type. It can be in a form of circle, it can be in a form of square, rectangle, trapezium, parallelogram, rhombus, etc., whose area can be calculated. So, area of cross section into height. So, area of cross section is measured in unit square, height is measured in simple unit. So, for volume it will be unit cube. It will be unit cube. This is the formula for volume. For any general volume, area of cross section into height. So, there are few figures in which we have to calculate the volume. For example, cuboid is the first. Cuboid is a rectangular box having length, breadth and height. Length, breadth and height. This figure is cuboid. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, in which side AB is representing length, side AB, which is generally equal to DC also, EF is also representing the length, and GH is also representing the length, whereas breadth is BC, EC, DF, GA and BH is representing the breadth of the figure, or we can say width. AD is equals to BC is equals to EH is equals to FG is representing the height. So, this is the figure. Now, if we have to find the volume, volume means area of a rectangle because it's into height. Area of rectangle is length into breadth and height is h. So, its formula for volume is length into breadth into height. Then we have to find the surface area. Surface area is always also considered as the area of walls, means the front area, the back area, the side two areas will represent the surface area. Four areas: area of A, B, C, D. Is this clear? Area of A, B, C, D, area of E, F, G, H, area of E, H, B, C, E, H, B, C and F, D, A, G, F, D, A, G. Area of A, B, C, D, it means length into height. It is length into height. EFGH. EFGH is again length into height. This is B into height, breadth into height, is equals to FAD. It is also B into H. If we take a surface area is equals to length height plus breadth height plus breadth height. It means twice length height plus twice breadth height. 2H is common, length plus breadth into height. This will give a formula for surface area, twice length plus breadth into height. It is only the area of 4 walls. See, AB is the length, this is breadth, and this will be considered as height. So length into breadth, so length into height is the first area of ABCD, area of EFGH, area of EHBC, area of FDAG. That will be that will give a surface area. Now if you have to find out the total surface area, TSA, total surface area. So total surface area will include the area of 4 walls plus the area of the floor as well as the area of the top. So area of 4 walls plus the area of top plus floor. Now area of 4 actually we know it twice length height plus twice of BH. Now area of top means area of EFDC. It is L into B, and area of ABHG, it is equal to length into breadth. So commonly it will become twice length breadth. What it will become? Twice length breadth. So it will be 2LB. If we take common, so 2LB plus BH plus LH, that will give the total surface area of a cuboid, and that will be measured in unit square, because it is area which we are calculating. This is also area which we are calculating, and this is the volume which we are calculating. Now what will be the maximum length rod that can be kept inside the cuboid? So that will be a diagonal. So diagonal D is equals to under root of L square plus B square plus H square. That will give the maximum length that can be put inside the cuboid. Then comes cube. The cube means all the sides are equal. It is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. This length is A, so the breadth is also A, height is also A. So if we have to calculate the volume, so volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. For this it is A into A into A. So the volume becomes A cube. Volume of a cube becomes A cube. Then we have to find the surface area. Surface area is twice length plus breadth into height for cuboid, because in this L is equal to B is equal to H is equal to A. So A plus A into A, so twice it will become 2A into A, it will be 4A square. How much it is? 4A square. So the surface area is 4A square. Then it is TSA, total surface area, twice length breadth plus breadth height plus length height. So twice it is A dot A plus A dot A plus a dot a. So it will become a square plus a square plus a square. So it's twice or 3a square. So TSA is equals to 6a square. This will be the total surface area of the cuboid. Now if we have to calculate the maximum length of a rod that can be kept inside the diagonal, that can be kept inside the cube. So D is equals to under root L square plus B square plus H square. So D will become equal to under root of A square plus A square plus A square. So the answer will be 3 under root A under root 3 will be the length of the diagonal. This is the maximum length of the rod that can be kept inside the cube. That can be kept inside the cube. So that will give the area of the cuboid and cube. Now next will be your cylinder, cone, sphere, hemisphere. That too is to be calculated by using the formula to identify the volumes. That we will discuss in our next class. Thank you.